Hey everybody, welcome to 2915 West Euclid. I'm John Sump with the Home Brokerage, where we always put your home first. Welcome to this little bit over 1,000 square foot home that's been completely renovated from the brand new roof to the brand new floors, including this gorgeous kitchen you see behind me. It's going to be hitting the market real soon. Better give me a call quick before it goes. So, what'd you think about this great 3-bedroom, 1-bath house with a 2-car garage? Completely renovated, ready for you and your family. You better call me quick before it goes. Thanks, and make it a great day.